Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tour, a quick midweek video. Believe it or not, we've had our caravan nearly a year now and it's going for its first service next week. So there's a few little things I need to empty out the caravan so they can get access to it, and a few little things I need to give to them, so I'm going to try and get it sorted quickly so I can get to them. Fingers crossed it gets through its service okay. I know Baileys are famous for never having damp. Let's see what we get on. So for its service, I need to give them the keys, obviously. I also need to give them the locking wheel nut, which I had a hell of a trouble finding, but I'd actually given it to the dealers anyway, because they talked my nuts for me. That sounds lovely, doesn't it? It sounds painful. But they did them for me last time and they still had hold of it. So they've got my keys. I also have given the motor mover thing. And then, the controller, so they can, I don't know if they just check that or they need it just to move the caravan about a bit. But I need to give that to them. And I also need to just empty a few things out of the cupboards, mainly so they can get access to the floor and underneath the bed so they can do damp checks and things like that. So I've got to empty the bit that's underneath the bed, which is mainly like all the watery containers and the waste master and all that sort of stuff, and also we've got some chairs in there as well, and take up all the carpets, so that should be fun. Apparently the caravan step, that's got to come out as well. I'm doing that so it doesn't rattle about when they're moving it. Now they did say we didn't have to take too much out of it, we don't have to empty every single cupboard or anything, it's just so they can get various damp readings. So under that bed we'll need empty, we'll have to take the bedding out, that shoe rack, and we take all these carpets out. I'm not sure much else we need to take out, to be honest, because when they've took it in for repairs they haven't needed it completely emptied. And I'll put the table back away where it should be as well, in this little handy holdy spot. So that's back now. Yeah, again I seem to have picked the hottest, muggiest day in the world to be shifting stuff about. I'm sweating again. Oh, no rest for the wicked. Right, strip the bed off and fix bed. There's a load of stuff underneath the bed I need to shift out. I don't think I've got much room left in the car, so I might have to come back and do a second lot for that lot. Yeah, okay. I shall come. I don't have to take all of it, but enough space so they can get in there. The back of the car is pretty much full of bedding and sheets and mattress tops and stuff, so I'm gonna have to come back and get rid of the chairs and the microwave another day. It's still another week before it goes in. Quite a lot of deep grass and nettles forming around the outsides of the caravan in storage, so I'm gonna get them when we take it in, or when they collect it, to give it a good clean and a mow and everything. So anyway, that's most of the stuff done. Just a few little bits to move out of that bottom locker and a couple little extra items, and it's pretty clear enough for them so they can do the service anyway. So wish us luck that we don't get anything untoward or crazy damp readings or anything, and we'll let you know in a future video. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Check out these videos. They're all good. Cheers. Bye.